Hey everybody, this is Josh from Squishy Reptiles again. In my last video I talked about how to fix the hole in the rat tubs, and I told you that I was building a rack. Well, I'm working on building it right now. So I thought I would record some steps just to kind of give you an idea of what we're going for. Alright, so as we discussed before, I've already cut the boards down. So I'm building my frames out of 2x2s, and I'm using 2x4s as the legs. So each of the legs I cut to 72 inches, so it'll be 6 foot tall. And then I'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll have 6 racks for the tubs. The cross beams, which when I make my frame, I make it outside piece, inside piece. So there'll be 2 28-inch pieces and then 3 17-inch pieces per frame. That's how I do it. And then when you screw it together, the frame looks like this. So the 2 28 pieces are down here on the sides all the way to the edge. So that's 28 from end to end, and then 17 from here to here. So I make 1, 2, 3. I do 3 of those just like this, and that's how I cut the pieces. So what I did was I went to Lowe's and I bought 4 2x4s. Let's see, 6 concrete tubs, plus I got an extra one for myself. I got the L's for the holes. So I got the L's for the holes, the bolts that go into those for all 6 things. Alright, you're going to need 12 of the 28-inch 2x2s and 18 of the 17-inch 2x2s. So when I went to Lowe's, I bought 8 2x2 by 96-inch pieces, which cuts into all the pieces that you need. I also got 3 pieces of the 1 by 16 aluminum angles for the slides. And then I got 24-inch wide, 1/4-inch hardware cloth that I'll roll out and cut to size and then staple it to the screens for the top of the rat racks. Alright, so after I cut everything up together, I'm going to show you how I put one together. So you'll have to bear with me because I have to turn the camera over. So give me just a second and I'll be right back.